Hi, everyone. Let's look at some different ways that we can go about finding the difference in two numbers. An expression is shown 5,049 minus 4,990. What is the value of the expression? Well, one way I could do this is by taking 4,990 and adding on to it until I get to 5,049. So if we started here at 4,990, I'm going to start by adding 10. I want to add 10 because that gets me to a nice even number of 5,000. Now I just need to get to 5,049. So I would just add 49 more. So how many did I add on? I added on 59. So the difference is 59. Now, finding the difference in two numbers is really just the distance between those two numbers on a number line. So another way I could do this is I could shift it to friendlier numbers. So instead of starting with 4,990, I could just shift that to 5,000. So then I need to shift 5,049 and I would shift that to 5,059. So I just took those two numbers on a number line and I shifted both of them 10 units. Now I can easily see the difference in those is 59. Now, some people may say, well, what about the algorithm? Yes, we could use the algorithm also. So if I have 5,049 minus 4,990. Okay, 9 ones minus 0 ones is 9 ones. I can't take 9 tens from 4 tens. I don't have any hundreds that I could get some tens from. I do have 1,000, so I'm going to take that 1,000. That's 10 hundreds. Now I've got some hundreds. I'm going to take one of the hundreds away. That's 10 tens that I'm going to add to my 4 tens. Now I have 14 tens. 14 tens minus 9 tens is 5 tens. Everything else is 0. So what about you? Which way was your favorite? I kind of think I liked the adding on the best. To me, the algorithm, that one was the messiest one. I definitely liked adding on the best. How about you? What was your favorite? All right. Thanks for joining, and I will see you around in another problem.